Morning students, today we can start new chapter number 14, statistics. Okay, so what is statistics? You know that what is tally mark and how to represent the given data by using tally mark. So all these about to some collection of data, right? So statistics is a branch of study that is related to totally collection of some data. Simply I am stating, okay, I am not giving exact definition, I am giving you one idea about this statistics. Okay, so if we want to collect some data, we can categorize it into the section statistics. Okay, so collection of data, we can simply say that it's statistics. So directly we can start the exercise, because in this beginning exercise it is giving the idea about this statistics. Okay, if one activity is there in your textbook, page number 239, you can do it, collection of data. So instead of that means some data are given in that activity, you can use your own data that you can write, means that you can write yourself. Okay, next, so we can start exercise 14.1. Only two questions are there. First question, give 5 examples of data that you can collect from day-to-day life. So how can we categorize some data? So that example you can write, five examples you should write. Okay, so number of females per 1000 males in various states of our country. So per 1000 number of males, how many number of females are there in a particular area? That is represented here. Okay, number of females per 1000 males in various states of our country. Next, weight of students of our class, just like your class. If you want to take out the weight of each of the students, means each of the students, then we can take the weight, right? So that is weight of students of our class. Production of wheat in the last 10 years in our country. So this is another one, something related to farming. So production of wheat in the last 10 years in our country. So we have to collect that data, right? So next, number of plants in our locality. This is also one data only. If we are going to collect that data, we should go for survey and we should find out the data, number of plants in our locality. Next, rainfall in our city in the last 10 years. This is something related to weather. So if you want to collect some data related to weather, we have to find out the number of days having rain or not having, and winter climate, like that. So rainfall in our city in the last 10 years. So these five data I have mentioned here. Okay, you can write your own ideas on data. Classify the next question. Classify the data in case number 1 above as primary or secondary data. So what is primary data and what is secondary data? Suppose if you are going to collect one data directly, if you want to take the data, means if you want to take the weight of your friends in your class, directly you can ask your friend and then you can directly collect the data, right? So if we can directly collect the data, then it is called primary data. Or if we want to collect some data, then if we are depending some other sources, then we can call it as secondary data. I will read the definition. The information which is collected by the investigator himself with a definite object in his mind is called a primary data. So if you have any data directly, if you can collect it from any other one, then it is called primary data. Okay, whereas when the information is gathered from a source which already had the information stored, it is called as secondary data. So if we want to find out, suppose number of females uh, number of females per 1000 males in various states. If you want to find out this data, you will not go to any each and every house and you will not collect this one, right? You will already means government done all these data, so you can refer that data and you can collect it from there. So that is called secondary data. Okay, so from these five lists, how can we classify it is primary and secondary? It can be observed that the data in 1, 3 and 5, number of females per 10,000 males. Again, production of wheat in the last 10 years. Next, rainfall in our city. So all these data are collected by government or something other authority. So we have to collect those data from them. That is called secondary. Okay. And weight of the students directly we can collect. Next, number of plants in our locality. You can go and search how many plants are there in your locality, in your house locality, right? So these two are primary data. So like this, we can classify the data into two. First one is primary data and the second one is secondary data. Okay.